Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah. That means that when time ready to score it.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, at the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know? Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food. Hey, Paris. Blessed Saturday to you. St. Mary we there. St. Mary we say, you see that in our background? And all of that. Them get some serious rain up here. Rainfall, round our backyard there. Somebody see breadfruit them behind me. See how them are full up? You see share? You see brush share? Look here, just set my hand and peek. So I am in St. Mary. Just took a little early morning one, and in the background there the workmen them are attack and all of that. So me catch you. What I have to show you. I St. Mary walk on. Catch you. Brush here come to come. They are getting rain. Catch you. Alan, we are going. We have to tell the people them. We are going for you.
Yeah, man, St. Mary Deh Again, you know? I go and do some little things and then we them eat pizza, bunny and thing.
So we have to tell the people them nice at the man. Yeah, yell them up decently.
Yeah, man, yell them up nice and good, you know?
Yeah.
And more love.
And the woman them say them a ball for your body, them a cry for your body in the comment section. What go on?
Most of them have to do man make we link up then.
Alright. I want to hear. Them a cry for your land body. Yeah. We are look on breadfruit, parry, roasting breadfruit, but Alan, but see one other one limb there, you know, hide it. But me never did see it. Parry, me know no now go see it because even if me zoom up, it a go hard. You know? It a go hard even if me zoom up because which part then there? It one way. When we pick them, we show them. So I say one there, so but Alan, oh you go get them. Then so I see one pound next tree over there. So them breadfruit there is always
nice.
long.
Yes, and I wonder over there, so.
The whole of them, all of them breadfruit they don't in so I don't like gully always, yeah. A big breed breadfruit them.
And yellow heart.
What? And soft and nice boy. Yeah, but you look a rain man and see all the mango them there. Wow, you know they must can't hold the mango the pantry, yeah boy. Here is the mango ripe. Oh God. Foul.
Mango can eat like a
so I want for mango man. No, I never see I saw the number the load, you know.
A black mango this?
Yeah, black it is.
Oh, the look of rain I do them a great justice man. Yeah man, and them are not going to give you a running belly. Hey, so me here say sweetie tree over there, so ram. Hey, Parry, when time sweetie tree start, yo, yes, we are coming so you know, we are go over there with the camera in the gully. Oh look, sweetie mango and carry my buckle of water, go sit down and gully eat mango. Watch your Alan, watch your brush there right up there. You did see that one? Yeah. We never did see it. Them all come up now, you know, because the rain, the little rain.
How much change can along with you? 5 of them?
Yeah, them, I say, me never know, so I saw that time of breadfruit tree down there.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I talk about breadfruit, Parry. Parry, you know, see me? Me say, me walk, go down to the corner shop with Curry and tell them about, look how me stay. Yeah, me get a good little workout. Well, if I ill, me feel good. Me I come back a country, come live. Comment and tell me in the comment section. Me feel like a girl at 16. Me feel good. Me feel like I can run. Yeah, man. Fresh. Nice little workout in a party. Me feel good. Yeah, me feel good. Next clip. So when you say Alan, how long you? How would I pay you, Alan?
Yeah, man, I'm cut this one, I carry on my table pan, you know?
Oh.
Put it on my head,
yeah. We are going to make like a snack party. Yeah, you know, all the while we can cook big food when we come, you know? So the guys, them out there, so they might wash off their hand. We are going to make like a snack. And Alan carry down the table. As a countryman, we didn't cut up on his head. And some mosquito they are wet with. Yeah, man. All right then, so we are going to set up a table and when we are making a snack, we are going to bring it on in pan it, see? St. Mary we there?
Yeah.
St. Mary we say. All right. Yeah.
Come on, listen about.
Where's how that decorate Boshu door with it? Boshu wants to see that catty there. Oh my God.
Boshu do for myself.
Hey, but what you going to say when you see Curry? What about say Curry?
She look good. My dirty. You see how you take it. You know the tumpa? I take to the tumpa. My dirty. Take it. Check your jump on.
I go on there now, curry.
Yes, they were making some bully beef sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
So we just putting the bully beef together and then I'm going to slice the bread.
Show me bread them curry we are eat.
These are some real Jamaican bread, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Bread with butter into it. We call it the grotto bread.
Grotto bread.
Yes.
Yeah, them not strange street curry. Somebody.
Yeah, man, them know it.
So and all the while we have if we cook big food, not true curry.
That's right.
So we have one little sandwich.
So we have a
today.
little sandwich today.
Mm-hmm.
And all of that.
Yes, yes, yes.
So a little bit.
Yeah, man, curry and slice up the bread them.
You hear one I talk, Uncle Murphy? Me show me hear one.
Like he did a come out in town back and then see it up. Upon the ground.
Mm-hmm.
He did a fly come by the house and then just turn back.
Cool spring water I can't drink.
Oh yeah, water from down a spring cool. Number 1 pan the bully beef sandwich chart.
Yes.
Uncle Murphy. Bless up.
There it is.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Them not ram for see I eating them, Uncle Murphy.
You know that.
They can't tell you no more. They see you enough now. Alan, me not think a bully beef sandwich I come for collect. Not yet.
You mix the drinks.
Yeah, man, mix up the juice. Yeah.
Alan are the juice, man. Alan, curry, you know if you do it on here, you do it to curry, Alan style. Alan, the Malays have to look on them when they mix them first, you know.
Curry.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Dada take film, no want him face in a camera. That's one cut when I bread in 2 cross here for me, Jackor. That's cut when I slice in 2 cross here, half, like one, yeah, half cut the cross here. And then put for me like a sandwich in that, yeah. Right now I want to sleep more than I want to eat because I wake up from early. Hey, make one for your work, man, no? Corey? Make one for your work, man, no, please. What did me was about short there? Hold on.
Me alright, man. Me alright, man.
It's alright.
Just take out your one curry and when they done, they can come make for them. I don't know where you are. See?
It's alright.
Yeah. Respect Jackor.
Good, man. I'm good when I hear my talking. Good now. Tell me.
A different color this Alan. Wow. Alan? Wagwan, the yell at the people in front of the tree, Alan. Rasta man in a breadfruit tree. Yeah. Come cross like monkey. Alright, take your time, come down, Alan.